So this recording is looking at the essay, all the essay parts, and what are the most important parts of the essay. So let's get into it. The first part of the essay is the intro, the introduction, and it has three parts. It has the hook, background info, and the thesis. Red here is telling you that the thesis is the most important part of your intro. Your hook can be okay, your background can be okay, but your thesis has to be good, okay? The next part of the essay is the body paragraphs, and the parts of the body paragraph are the topic sentence, supporting details, and then concluding sentence. And as you can see, the most important part of your body paragraph is the topic sentence, because this is telling the reader everything that is going to be in this paragraph. Lastly, you have your conclusion, and in the conclusion has three parts as well: restate or re-say the thesis, presenting some sort of problem, and then giving some advice. So to recap, the essay has three parts: intro, body paragraphs, conclusion paragraph. And within each paragraph, you have essentially three parts. You have a hook, background information, thesis, topic sentence, supporting details, concluding sentence, restating the thesis, problem, and some advice.